Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 High in the Prototype colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. We got some amazing items on that website, so be sure to head on over there after this video is done. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 Prototype. So I'm going to talk about the overview, then we're going to jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I styled these, as well as how well these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into the overview. Starting with the front of the toe box, we've got some nice white crisp leather. Then we've got some nubuck in this light gray colorway. Working our way up the tongue, we have a nice bright pop of orange on that swoosh mark. Simple black laces I laced it up with, as well as more pops of that orange accent for the Nike and swoosh logo on the top of that tongue. If you're not feeling the black, there are 3 other laces that have been included in white, orange, and that royal blue colorway. All right, let's take a look at those details and then move right along to the side panels. Working our way to the side panels, you'll see that we've got more of that nubuck in that light gray color scheme, underlays of that white leather, and then just a nice crisp black swoosh, which really pops on top of those lighter colors. We've got kind of a metallic-y silver color scheme that works its way to the back of that heel, more black hues, and then we've got nice pops of this light sky blue on top of this royal blue color scheme. As you can see here, this is where you can actually cut off the top of the shoe to take it from a high to a low silhouette. I'm probably not going to do that, but I know a lot of people have done it on videos. If you do actually cut here, you'll see that it will expose it to an orange color scheme as opposed to the black that you'll see on top here. And then of course you'll be taking off those 2 blue tones to make it a non-blue color scheme. All right, wrapping around the other side, we've got those same underlays of white, same black Nike swoosh, and more of that nubuck suede in that light gray tone. And the shoe is then complete with white and black outsole. The insole has a nice pop of blue as well as some detailing accents of that orange for the Nike Air branding. All right, working our way into size and fit. So I would say stick true to size on this. Again, I do have higher to narrow feet. If you do have wide, flat feet, this could differentiate a better size that works for you, but I would say stick true to size on this one. Now let's jump into styling. I had so much fun styling this. I love the pops of blue, which is why I probably don't find myself actually cutting that off. For the first look, I decided to go all out with this nice kind of blue and orange and cream pattern just because I think it really vibed with the accents in this shoe.
I swear I like your style, put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love became. You need me, say my name, don't ever hesitate. It's 2 a.m. outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need.
For the second look, I wanted to bring more blue hues into it, matching these two tones perfectly. So I decided to wear this wrap skirt, which is in a royal blue, and then I followed that and paired it with a nice pop of bright blue for the sweater.
Just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. Got me going crazy, stone cold up on my blood keys.
For the last and final look, I decided to do some more monochromatic tones. This time I decided to wear this checkered colored pants in black and white, and then I paired that with a denim button down and layered that with a nice kind of cream tan button down suede top.
She's crazy, ay. If you run, then I'm chasing. Girl, you #1, I know that you know you're amazing. Okay, I swear you got me high and I ain't talking about no drugs. So all I need is you, I swear your love is like my plug. Baby, I might come and steal your heart, I'll make a crime scene. Designer on your tight jeans, some diamonds for your timepiece, yeah, yeah. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. It's 2 a.m. outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high.
You let me know out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite out of the 3, or how would you style these shoes?
You must be blinded by the lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. We put the nets up in the lines, now we high. Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from my eyes. Would've thought was LSD. Can't lose my mind like Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes. You hit the top, all you left with is the memories. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, go hard to have it is your purpose. We had some faith, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change.
All right, now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these went for $170 and currently are going between $200 to $270. But I do think that, you know, your price point may go down if you do decide to cut these off. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new to the channel, thanks so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as amazing merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.